So to rebuttal what our opponents have said, yes, there are possibilities of risks in nuclear power. However, California has only had one major accident, which is at Simi Valley in 1959, and it caused 0 deaths and no radiation leak at all. And that was in 1959. Additionally, when they're talking about high acquisition costs, yes, the acquisition cost has gone up, but that is because of all the safety features that our modern technology provided in order to mitigate and make earthquakes a non-issue for them. Additionally, things of our opponent said, when you dispose of the waste, it can leak radiation. That is why the safety procedure for disposing of the waste is very safe. No one is going to be able to get to it to release it. And besides restoring it, we can also recycle it to make it even more efficient. Our opponents claim of California has already moved on from nuclear, as we are only down to 1 power plant. However, a large reason for this is because of the Chernobyl accident that happened in the latter half of the 20th century, caused a big value change for a lot of people in the 1960s and 70s to want to protest and shut down nuclear power plants. However, as I said earlier, California's only had one accident that was like a level 4 on the international event scale. And with modern technology, the risk mitigation is even lower now than it was then, which was in 1959. Additionally, the uranium used in the power plants as fuel is only enriched to 3%. So when a possible leak were to happen as low as it is, the amount of radiation it releases is very low and easily contained. And finally, it is needed by California since natural gas as our major source of energy right now, since it does pollute, nuclear power is needed to replace this because solar and wind energy simply at their efficiencies today do not meet the energy needs of California if they were to become the sole renewable resource of the state. Whereas nuclear power is able to keep up with the fossil fuels. For example, the largest wind farm and largest solar farm in the country are in California. And yet, the average nuclear power plant produces 3 times as much as both of these plants combined. So nuclear power is needed for meeting the emission goals, whereas other renewables cannot. Thank you.